Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Momcozy. They were nice enough to send me over their KleanPal Pro baby bottle washer and sterilizer, and I am absolutely obsessed. I want to talk about what you get in the box first. So that right there is the detergent tablets. It comes with 60 in a pack, and you do get 2 packs of those, so that's very convenient. You can buy replacement parts from their actual website. You'll also get the tubing in the back. So this is the power cord, and then the actual tubing to where the water will be drained from the actual bottle washer, and then it's recommended to put it into the sink. I personally like to do it into the sink, or you can do it into a bucket, whatever floats your boat, baby girl. And then you'll get the instructions manual. Definitely read through that, and so you can know exactly how to use this product. This isn't my first time ever using a bottle washer, so I'm kind of already familiar. Wanted to give you a better look inside. You can fit a ton of stuff in here, so you can fit wide neck bottles, narrow neck bottles, sippy cups, tableware, wearable pumps, and traditional pump parts. I absolutely love it. It literally can fit everything that you need, so you do not have to lift a finger anymore to wash bottles yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up the tubing and then the electrical power cord. After that, I want to show you guys that if you just want to steam bottles, just fill the water up to the steam line. But if you want to full steam and wash, fill it up to the 2.5 liter mark, which I'm going to do. I wanted to go ahead and show you that it is little suction cups on there. They don't stick as good. I guess it depends on your countertops, but it doesn't stick on mine that good, girl. So you can remove the actual, what is this, water jug container thing and put it straight under the faucet. Sometimes if I'm being lazy, I'll just, like my faucet, you can pull out, and then I'll just fill it that way. So fill it all the way up. Make sure to do that. And it is recommended to use distilled water. I did want to say that, but like I said, this isn't my first rodeo. This water works perfectly fine. After that, you'll go ahead and start loading up your bottles. I wanted to give you a closer look. This is just a quick start guide, so if you didn't want to read that big manual, this is just a little bitty, basically cheat code is what I like to call it, of how to go ahead and start washing your bottles and pump parts and stuff. So on the inside, remember I showed you guys earlier, these are actually removable, so you can customize it to however you will like and whatever works best for you. I did go ahead and remove 3 or 4 of those because, like I said, this isn't my first rodeo. I know how I like to place the bottles, and I like to get the maximum amount of bottles that I can inside. So I did go ahead and remove some of those out the way. Make sure to rinse out the milk. You don't want the milk inside of the bottle washer, because at that point it's just, you know, rinsing milk all over your bottles, because girl, who want that? That's nasty. Then I'll go ahead and put in my wide necks, and then I do the, I guess, regular neck size bottles, and then I'll put the nipples on there, and just make sure you can stuff it, but don't stuff it too much to the point to where everything is not going to get washed, if that makes sense. Once you place all of your bottle parts or pump parts inside, put the lid on and make sure the lid is secure. Then you'll go ahead and use your Momcozy detergent tablets. Like I said, they do provide you with 2 packs already, so you don't have to buy any. Put the lid on, and then there is different cycles. So you can do a 19-minute rapid wash, a 29-minute normal wash, and then after that is done, it'll go through a 55-minute sterilization and drying process. And then one of my favorite things that I love about it is this bottle washer does have a 72-hour sterile storage hold. So you know how usually if you're sterilized bottles like in the microwave, they're only sterile for 24 hours. This is sterile for 72 hours, girl. 72. Then, like I was telling you, I feel like it's best to put the hose into the sink so it can just drain out. After that, you do need to let the bottles rest for about 10 minutes before actually opening it when it's done, because the bottles are hot, especially if you have glass bottles. You will see me tipping and tossing and turning the bottle because it is hot. So please make sure to wait 10 minutes. But I was just too excited. I had to show you guys how clean this got. I absolutely love it. And if you're like me and love the Dr. Brown's bottles, then baby, you already know it's a lot of pieces to these bottles. So this comes in handy. It is such a time saver. I absolutely love it. And I don't know, some people may think it takes a while, but once you just put it on and you start just doing other house chores and things, I'll look up and the bottles are already done and complete. So I love that. You are going to love it. Don't forget to check down below in the description box for all of the links and the discount codes. It will be down there for you. As always, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, I will see you lovelies then. Thank you so much, Momcozy, for sending this to me. It is such a lifesaver. I cannot live without this at all.